Why do 60% of marine enthusiasts think fish don't cough? Let's dive into the truth. Yep, fish can cough. But don't worry, they're not catching a cold. Fish coughing is actually a natural behavior. It's their way of clearing their gills of debris and parasites. Think of it like us sneezing, but underwater. When a fish coughs, it forces water out through its gills. This keeps them clean and healthy. So next time you spot your finned friend doing a little gill wiggle, just remember it's their version of a spa day. Pretty cool, right? So tell your aquarium buddies, fish coughs are totally normal. And now you're officially in the know. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you learned something new, and hit subscribe for more fishy facts.